Okay, let's be quick about this and teach you how to do a YouTube short. Apparently YouTube has put money away, which anybody that does short videos under 1 minute will get access to that money. So making YouTube shorts might be a good idea. Maybe they're trying to do what TikTok does. But at any point, drag your video down in the bottom here. Make sure it's under 1 minute. Click on edit at the top and then go to where it says aspect ratio. You want that to be 9:16, so change that. So now we're going to have 9:16, and you'll notice our view over here has really made that tiny. Click on your video, go to Tools, and click on Crop Zoom Pan. That's going to open a whole brand new window. And then what we're going to do is we can move this back to squeeze it in, or we can grab the square blocks, bring it down. That will remove all the black and make it look a little prettier. In the center, move it over to where you like it. To try to center it up. There you go. And then hit OK. You'll notice now we're full screen in this. We're done. Keep it under 1 minute. Change the aspect ratio and go to crop and zoom. Now, when you go to produce, which I got at the top there, you want to go ahead and you want to select you want to go ahead and select 1080 by 1920 30 frames a second right there. Is what you want to do. And then go ahead and produce it. When you upload it to YouTube and you go to your YouTube channel and you scroll down, you will notice it has a new header there called Shorts, and you'll start seeing your shorts appearing there. Now you've tapped into the money from YouTube, and who knows, you're going to get rich. That's a quick tutorial on how to do shorts on YouTube. Catch you guys on the next one.